The Ford Explorer has been one of the most popular SUVs in America for decades, known for its spacious interior, strong engine options, and solid towing capacity. However, not every model year has been a success. If you're in the market for a used Ford Explorer, there are certain years you should avoid due to reliability concerns, expensive repairs, and widespread mechanical issues. In this video, we'll break down the worst Ford Explorer model years to steer clear of and explain why they could cost you more in the long run. Knowing what years to avoid will not only save you from costly repairs, but will also help ensure a smoother and more reliable driving experience. Let's dive deeper into the problematic model years and understand why they pose major concerns. We'll also provide insights into alternative options and what makes newer models more dependable. First on the list is the 2002 Ford Explorer. This model suffered from significant transmission problems, including hard shifting, slipping gears, and total transmission failure. Many owners reported that they had to replace or rebuild their transmission multiple times, which can cost thousands of dollars. Additionally, the 2002 Explorer had issues with rear suspension failure, leading to an uncomfortable and sometimes dangerous driving experience. The problems with this model didn't stop at the transmission. The wheel bearings and differential components also had higher than average failure rates, making repairs even more expensive. Moreover, the paint and trim quality of this model year were often reported to deteriorate quickly, leading to cosmetic concerns as well. Another notable issue with the 2002 Explorer was its frame durability. Many owners experienced rust and corrosion much sooner than expected, especially in colder climates where road salt is used. This could compromise the vehicle's structural integrity over time, leading to safety concerns and costly repairs. If you're considering this model year, you may want to think twice, as the extensive list of potential issues could leave you stuck with high maintenance costs. The 2003 Ford Explorer model faced many of the same transmission problems as the 2002 model, with reports of slipping gears and total transmission failure. The rear differential was another weak point, with many owners experiencing excessive noise and failures requiring expensive repairs. The interior build quality was also subpar, with many drivers reporting cracked dashboards and deteriorating upholstery. Additionally, the 2003 Explorer suffered from significant suspension issues, leading to uneven tire wear, excessive bouncing, and a generally rough ride. Many owners also reported electrical problems, such as malfunctioning power windows and faulty instrument clusters, which could make driving unpredictable. The plastic trim and exterior components were known to degrade quickly, leading to a worn-out appearance much earlier than expected. Owners often found themselves dealing with repeated repair bills, making this model one to avoid. Another problematic year is the 2004 Ford Explorer. While it did receive some minor updates, it still had persistent transmission problems. Owners frequently complained about delayed shifting, harsh gear changes, and complete transmission breakdowns. The plastic timing chain guides were also prone to failure, leading to costly engine repairs if not addressed in time. One of the most frustrating aspects of this model was that many issues seemed to arise shortly after the warranty expired, leaving owners to foot the bill for major repairs. Additionally, the interior build quality was subpar, with dashboard components and seats prone to excessive wear and tear over time. The electrical system also had its fair share of issues, including malfunctioning power windows, erratic dashboard lights, and problems with the anti-theft system randomly engaging. The 2004 model also had brake system malfunctions, with many owners reporting that their ABS warning lights frequently turned on. These braking problems could lead to decreased stopping power, making the vehicle a potential safety hazard. While some drivers opted to upgrade components for better reliability, the overall cost of maintaining this model often outweighed its benefits. The 2005 Ford Explorer model had a range of mechanical issues, including persistent transmission failures and cooling system leaks. Many owners reported radiator leaks that led to overheating and potential engine damage. Additionally, the 2005 model had significant suspension issues, with premature ball joint and control arm failures leading to costly replacements. Another major issue was the frequent failure of the rear differential, which led to loud whining noises and eventual replacement costs. Many drivers also complained about excessive road noise, making long trips uncomfortable. Furthermore, the fuel efficiency was poor compared to competitors, making the 2005 Explorer an expensive vehicle to own in the long run. The vehicle's frame was also susceptible to rust, which could lead to structural weaknesses if left unchecked. The 2006 Ford Explorer is another year to avoid. This model introduced a new 6-speed automatic transmission, but unfortunately, it was plagued with reliability issues. Many drivers reported that the transmission would jerk, hesitate, or fail altogether. Additionally, the cooling system was known to develop leaks, which could lead to overheating and potential engine damage. The radiator in this model was particularly prone to cracking, and if left unchecked, could result in a blown head gasket, which is an extremely costly repair. The vehicle's fuel efficiency was also notably poor, with many owners finding themselves at the pump more often than expected. On top of that, the air conditioning system frequently failed, leading to costly repairs that made summer driving unbearable. Additionally, the 2006 model struggled with suspension component failures, leading to excessive noise and reduced ride comfort. Many owners also faced difficulties with their four-wheel drive system engaging properly, further compounding the reliability concerns of this model year. Fast forward to the 2011 Ford Explorer, which marked the start of a new generation with a unibody construction instead of the traditional body and frame design. While this model looked more modern, it came with its own set of issues, including electrical malfunctions, My Ford Touch infotainment glitches, and power steering failures. Many owners reported random power steering loss while driving, which could make the vehicle difficult to control. This problem was especially concerning because it often happens suddenly and without warning, posing a significant safety risk. Additionally, the 2011 Explorer suffered from excessive wind noise at highway speeds, making long drives more tiring and uncomfortable. The fuel economy, while slightly improved over previous models, was still a sore spot for many drivers, especially considering the vehicle's smaller engine choices. Another issue that plagued the 2011 model was the water pump design, which was integrated into the timing chain. If the pump failed, it often led to catastrophic engine failure, requiring a full engine replacement. Many drivers also reported early wear on suspension components, leading to a bumpy ride and high repair bills. The 2012 Ford Explorer model suffered from serious power steering failures, leading to costly repairs and potential safety risks. Many drivers reported that the electronic power steering system would suddenly stop working, making the vehicle difficult to maneuver. Additionally, the 2012 model faced ongoing electrical issues, including problems with the My Ford Touch system and malfunctioning sensors. Many owners also experienced issues with water leaks into the cabin, leading to mold buildup and electrical shorts. The AC system was another weak point, with frequent reports of compressor failures and weak airflow. On the mechanical side, some drivers reported problems with the 3.5-liter V6 engine, including excessive oil consumption and premature timing chain wear. These costly repairs, combined with the vehicle's unreliable electronics, make the 2012 Explorer a risky purchase. The 2013 Ford Explorer also deserves a spot on this list due to ongoing power steering issues and water pump failures. Since the water pump is located inside the engine, replacing it is an expensive and labor-intensive job. If the water pump fails, it can lead to severe engine damage, costing thousands to repair. The 2013 model also continued to struggle with My Ford Touch system failures, frustrating many drivers. Another major complaint about this model was its poor visibility due to thick rear pillars, which made parking and lane changes more difficult. Additionally, the climate control system had frequent issues, with some owners reporting that their AC or heating stopped working entirely. The Explorer's brakes in this model year were another concern, with excessive wear requiring premature replacements. Furthermore, the exhaust system in the 2013 model was known for developing leaks, leading to concerns about fumes entering the cabin. Some drivers also faced premature battery drain due to parasitic electrical draws, resulting in unexpected breakdowns. The 2015 Ford Explorer model had significant engine and transmission issues, with many owners experiencing premature failures. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine was prone to carbon buildup, leading to reduced performance and expensive maintenance. Additionally, the transmission suffered from harsh shifting and delayed acceleration, making it an unreliable choice. The 2015 model also had frequent electrical problems, with owners reporting issues with the infotainment system, backup camera malfunctions, and sensor failures. Many drivers found that the vehicle's build quality was lower than expected, with trim pieces and seats showing excessive wear early on. The suspension system also had its fair share of issues, leading to a bumpy and uncomfortable ride. Finally, fuel efficiency was another concern, with many owners reporting poor mileage compared to other SUVs in its class. Overall, the 2015 Explorer was plagued with multiple issues, making it a model to avoid. The 2016 Ford Explorer had a range of problems, especially related to its EcoBoost engine. Many owners reported turbocharger failures, excessive oil consumption, and carbon buildup in the intake valves, leading to reduced engine performance. Additionally, the 2016 Explorer had issues with its exhaust system, with some owners complaining about exhaust fumes leaking into the cabin, causing health concerns. The ride quality of this model also left much to be desired, with complaints about excessive road noise and a harsh suspension that made long-distance driving less comfortable. Some drivers also noted poor reliability in electronic components, such as backup cameras and parking sensors failing unexpectedly. Door latch failures were another issue, with some owners struggling to keep doors securely closed while driving. Additionally, issues with the transmission programming caused rough shifting and delayed acceleration, further diminishing driver confidence. The 2017 Ford Explorer continued to have ongoing mechanical and electronic issues, making it a model year to avoid. One of the biggest concerns with this model was the 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, which suffered from excessive oil consumption and turbocharger failures. Many owners reported that the turbo system required costly repairs, sometimes as early as 60,000 miles. Additionally, the timing chain and water pump were prone to failure, which could lead to catastrophic engine damage if not addressed quickly. Transmission problems were another common issue with the 2017 Explorer. Drivers reported rough shifting, hesitation between gears, and premature failure of the automatic transmission. In some cases, complete transmission replacements were needed, which could cost thousands of dollars. Due to these widespread reliability issues and high repair costs, the 2017 Ford Explorer remains a risky choice for used car buyers. Purchasing a used vehicle requires careful research and attention to detail. While some SUVs may seem like a good deal initially, hidden mechanical and electrical problems can lead to costly repairs and frustrations down the road. It's essential to read owner reviews, check vehicle history reports, and get a professional inspection before making a decision. Taking the time to evaluate a vehicle's reliability will help ensure a safer, more enjoyable driving experience while avoiding unnecessary expenses in the future. By being informed about potential problem areas and common complaints from other owners, you can make a well-rounded decision that aligns with your budget and long-term needs. Remember that while some repairs are expected with any used vehicle, certain models carry a much higher risk of expensive and repeated issues. If possible, consider models with a strong reliability record and a proven track record of long-term durability. In the end, choosing the right vehicle can save you not only money, but also time, stress, and inconvenience, allowing you to enjoy a smooth and worry-free driving experience for years to come.